looks a little crazy.
I can hang around another night.
Hey bougie besties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Miriam J. I'm sure you guys can tell I have changed my look. I'm so excited. So pretty much this hair, I low-key feel like Beyonce. Like, this hair is from a company called UNice hair, and they are sponsoring this video. Thank you to UNice. But you guys already know, sponsor or no sponsor, I'm gonna give you guys the tea. So on their website, this hair is called the UNice Honey Blonde Highlights Lace Front Wig Human Hair Body Wave Colored Wigs Bet You series. I got a 13 by 4, 24 inch, 150 density. Now you guys know, like, I only do like 250 and up, right, as far as density, but I feel like this is a good, I don't know, I feel like this is full. I didn't put any color in this hair. This hair literally came like this. It has the blonde pieces in the front to kind of frame your face. So as you can see, this hair is a 13 by 4, and it has a full frontal. Like, you guys know I hate when like companies will be like, oh, 13 by 4, 13 by 6, and it's really like boom, boom, and you only have like 1 inch of like lace on both sides. No, this is full lace frontal. Like, it's like full from here to back here. So you can't braid this hair, girl. You can't braid this hair because you guys know. I hate when I can't do half up, half down. I hate when I can't have the option to braid because like the frontal is like so small, if that makes sense. But this, it's a full frontal. This hair is a body wave, but I straightened it, and it's honestly straightened super easy. So it was a body wave, but it was more so like a looser body wave than it was, you know, like a tighter body wave. So it made it super easy to straighten. The lace was super easy to work with. So the lace is transparent. So if you are my skin tone, you're gonna have to tint your lace. How I tint my lace, I just put some like of my foundation, my powder foundation on the inside before I like put it on my head. And I also use like a brown bald cap rather than like a tan one. The knots are also pretty small. I did not have to bleach the knots, and you cannot tell that I didn't bleach the knots either. So it has combs here and in the back, and it also has like those straps. So this hair, like this wig is actually like super snug. I could honestly turn this into a glueless unit if I wanted to, because when I had initially put it on, I put it to like its tightest, and it like was like just stuck down on my hair. Like, you couldn't tell that I didn't have any glue on. I freaking love this hair. This hair makes me feel like a freaking Barbie. This hair is honestly so soft. I was expecting it to be so frizzy. I've never had like colored hair before. I've never had like bleached hair, so I don't really know, like, you know, how it operates. However, I have heard that bleached hair can get like super frizzy, and there's like really nothing you can do about it. It's like super light and airy, but it doesn't get frizzy. Honestly, I feel like I want to go lighter. I think I'm gonna try to dye this hair. I think I'm gonna try. I also did give this hair one wash. I do that with all of my hairs. If I don't, I feel like they always break my back out. I feel like maybe they have like some kind of chemical on them or whatever they process their hair with. That always breaks me out. But this hair hasn't broken me out because I washed it. But guys, I freaking adore this hair so much. Like, just look. Like, look at the highlights. They're so cute. I am going to wear this hair for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna check in like I always do. I'm also gonna do an install in this video too. I didn't get to do an initial install, but I'm gonna do like my second install. I will make sure I link this hair down below. But what do you guys think? But this is my initial review. Hey guys, so it's about a week later. I'm actually about to put my wig on right now. I have her on this wig stand, and I washed her last night, and then I put some mousse in it because I wanted to like scrunch it, but I don't think that's gonna work out. So I don't know, we'll see how it looks on my head, but that's why it's looking like that, because I tried to like scrunch it and I tried to diffuse it. But the thing is, I only like washed it with conditioner. I didn't wash it with shampoo. So I feel like the curls didn't come back because I only co-washed it. If anything, I'll just give it a blowout. But I wanted to like quickly come on here and show you guys like how I put my wig on. Okay, so I have my wig cap on. I cut like some holes For the ears, I'm gonna go in with this Even Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, and I'm gonna spray it on my hairline. I like this because it dries so much quicker than got to be. So I'm gonna grab like a rat tail comb, and then I'm gonna grab my blow dryer. By the way, I got this wig cap from Amazon. I ordered a pack of, I think this is a pack of 50. I can't remember. But it was like less than 10 bucks. At the beauty supply store, it's like $2.99 per pack. So get it off Amazon. I'll link it below. I'm gonna grab some powder foundation. This is by Fenty. It's in the color 390. And I'm gonna grab a brush and I'm gonna like tint my wig cap a little. It's like the color of my contour color. And that's the color I go for when I'm doing my wig caps, is my contour color, because I do contour my hairline. So it makes sense, right? And I'm gonna do my parts. The lace is transparent, and we don't want it to be transparent. It's a little like tinted because it has some makeup residue on it, but same brush, generous amount. I need to find a cheaper freaking powder to use in my wigs because that powder is not cheap. Don't mind my background, guys. This is like become my storage room for my camera equipment. I'm gonna like tint my lace. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Tinted a little bit. Okay, put this down to the side. I'm also trying to work a little fast because I got someplace to be. Okay, so I cut the sides a little because this has combs on the inside. So that's where the combs are gonna go. And I like doing that because I like to anchor it to my hair so it doesn't move. So now we're gonna put this bad boy on, put the combs through. Putting the combs through your hair also helps you like center the wig too, because my wigs are always crooked. I know some of you guys peep that my parts be a little crooked sometimes, and I don't care. I don't care. You guys remember Bad Girls Club season 8? I think her name was Andrea. She came in like super late. She came in because somebody else went home. And she was like little apparently, and she used to be like, I don't care. I don't care. So it seems pretty centered, and I'm judging that based off of the ear tabs or the sideburns. So now I'm going to like slick everything back. I don't know what I'm about to use. This is like the part that I'm not sure of. Hey, listen, I always tell y'all, I don't do hair, but I know how to do mine. I know how to make it look like I can do a little bit of hair. And now it's not gonna look like I came out the salon, but I'm also not paying salon money. I don't have any more mousse, and that's what I would typically gravitate towards if I wanna like, you know, slick the hair back a little. But I don't have any mousse. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna clip it. I'm gonna use a little hairspray too. Use a little bit. Just so like when we lay our lace, like the little hairs are out of the way and it lays like clean. Now I'm gonna go in with my Bold Hold Active, and this is for oily skin because I be trying to tell y'all, if you have oily skin, don't be doing what the dry skin girlies do when it comes to their wigs, because their wigs are gonna stay on regardless. If you have oily skin, I'm sorry to break it to you, but your wigs will not last more than 3 days. It's not going to. And if you have oily skin and it does last more than 3 days, honey, you don't have oily skin. You probably have combo skin and around your hairline is dry or normal. But I have oily skin all around my face, like my whole face is oily. It's only gonna last 3 days. So that's it, sorry. It's only gonna last 3 days. I'm sorry, that's the skin we were blessed with. Whatever, at least we're not gonna have wrinkles. I always go to Dollar Tree and I buy like a pack of these like popsicle sticks so I could like spread my lace. It's only $1 and it's like, it comes with like 100, so why not, you know? I'm dotting it like literally right before the wig cap. So I usually do like 3 layers, but I honestly have to take this wig off tonight because I have a facial tomorrow and we're doing micro needling, and I want her to get my hairline because a lot of people don't talk about this, and I'll probably talk about this in my next video. Lace glue does damage your skin, like bad. I have a really bad chemical burn around my hairline because of lace glue. And right now we're like I'm treating it with my esthetician. Do thin layers, like don't be doing thick layers. Like it's not gonna do anything. You're just gonna waste product and you're gonna get even worse results. It's not even gonna be like it's better results. Make sure the ear tabs are even, and I'm gonna bring the middle of the wig down. And I'm gonna lay it down. I'm I'm gonna try my best to lay it down so perfectly because I don't want any glue out. I freaking hate when that happens. Okay, that one was done perfectly. That side was done really good. Okay, now the other side. Everything is stuck down. I'm gonna take my comb and like comb the extra hairs back. And as I'm combing, I'm like pressing the lace down as well. So my UNice box, my wig actually came with this scarf. So I'm gonna use the scarf to lay my edges down real quick. Comb through this hair a little bit. So I'm gonna leave this around my hairline for like 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Okay. All right, that is laid. Touch it up like the tiniest amounts. With, this is with a contour shade though. This isn't with the foundation shade. Okay, so I did all of my baby hairs. I'm gonna give it a blast with this. Now I have it wrapped. Okay, so lately I've been using this gem dryer. Also, this hair does not shed that badly. It doesn't at all. It doesn't shed bad at all. Like typically when I get wigs, I have to seal the wefts, and I didn't with this one, and it's not shedding. So that's a good thing. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. I want to do the flip over method, so I'm gonna grab my hot comb and just like flatten out my hairline a little. But I'm like, do I also like the volume? But I don't know. But let's just do it. If anything, I'll just put some dry shampoo in it to bring back some of the volume. Tresemme, ooh la la. Repair and smooth. And I'm gonna like smooth out the top just so it's not frizzy. I'm gonna top it off with this Mazzani serum. And just like comb it through with my fingers through the hair. I freaking love this wig, man. I'm gonna hit it with some Collab dry shampoo to add a little bit more volume. This smells so good. I'm gonna put some clothes on and I'll be right back. I didn't get to record this hair before I left because I was like rushing out. This is how it's looking after all day and I didn't even brush it. So yep, there. I got so many compliments on this hair. And I keep getting so many compliments online. Everybody like loves this color on me. I'm starting to really like this color on me. Hey guys, so it's been 2 weeks. Y'all, I freaking love this hair. I freaking love this hair. Sorry if you guys hear background sounds. You guys know I live in the city. Like when I first put it in, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put it in for the review, for the sponsorship, and just leave it in. I don't even think I really like the color, only because not like this color. I love this color. I love how this color looks on other people, but I didn't think that I'd like this color on me, like on my skin tone. Like I never stray away from like black or jet black. I just like, I'm like just basic when it comes to hair. But when I put this hair on, you guys, I love this hair color and it's done so well. It's not like too streaky. Now it is like a streaky highlight look, but it's not like that, like, you know, old school like zebra stripe streakiness. I get so many compliments every single day on my social media. You guys are freaking blowing up my Instagram, blowing up my TikTok. Where's this hair from? Where's this hair from? And by the way, for future reference, whatever hair I'm wearing, it's always linked in my bio on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Honestly, like you guys know, I'm like a 28 to 30 inch girl. Like I love my hair long. I love 300 density. I love my hair full. I don't really go for 150 to 180 density or anything shorter than like 28 inches, but this is shorter than 28 inches. And I like it. Honestly, I freaking love it. I think it's very manageable. But don't get me wrong, I might be adding a bundle to this wig, honey. This hair has very minimal shedding, like very minimal. And I'm really surprised that it doesn't shed much because it's colored, like, well, it's bleached, you know? So I thought it was gonna be like shedding a lot, but it's not.
Helicopter, helicopter.
I did mention before the lace is very transparent. So if you are my skin tone or darker, or even a smidge lighter than me, I would tint the lace. I just tint my lace with like powder foundation. But other than that, if you don't tint it, it looks a little crazy, or it's transparent. So it's kind of like, I guess, a clean slate to match everyone. If you're lighter skin, you can just throw it on. If you're darker skin, you have to like customize it a little bit. I did not pluck my hairline at all. Like, I literally did not even bleach the knots. I literally washed it with shampoo and conditioner, blow dried it, straightened it, and then threw it on my head. This hair is uniform from root to end, and I freaking love that. I hate when it's like thick at the roots and thin at the end. I 100% approve of this hair. I freaking love it so freaking much. Should I give it a bleach bath? Should I make it a little lighter? I don't know. Follow me on Instagram to stay up to date on whether I bleach bath this hair or not. If I do, I will put like an update on my Instagram. But I honestly love it how it is too. So I'm like, should I just get another one and bleach bath that one? I don't know. Girl, if you want this wig, go for it. Amazing quality. Love the color. It's so soft. I freaking love it. I will link everything down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hair and this color on me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Then her life was a trouble.